This gets old. The same small problems keep showing up every time you drive, and some of them you don't even notice anymore, like the air inside your car. And once you do notice it, you can't really ignore it. That's what we fix here on DriveBoost, the small things that quietly make driving more frustrating than it should be. And this is the part most people miss. Now here's one most people don't think about, until it starts to feel off. When you're sitting in traffic, windows up, cars all around you, that air doesn't stay outside. You don't notice it right away, but after a while, it starts to feel a little heavy, a little stale. Most people crack a window, adjust the fan, and just live with it. It doesn't really fix anything. That's when it starts to make sense. Philips Gopure Car Air Purifier. You turn it on once, and it just runs in the background. No setup every time, no extra effort. And after a few drives, you notice the difference. The air feels cleaner, lighter, easier to sit in, especially in traffic. You stop noticing the air because there's nothing left to deal with. Type yes if you've ever had your car feel like this. Once you notice it, you start noticing other things too. Now you're switching lanes. You check your mirror, and something still feels incomplete. So you check again, adjust, double check. It's not dangerous, but it's never fully comfortable either. And it happens more often than you think. You're not really trusting what you see. Joytutus Panoramic Rearview mirror fixes that right away. You clip it on, and your view opens up wider than what you're used to. You don't lean forward. You don't adjust again. You just see it. And that's the difference. You stop double checking because you don't need to anymore. Now think about charging. Someone always needs power, and there's never enough ports. So you start swapping cables, unplugging one thing to plug another, and it turns into that small frustration that keeps repeating. It's not a big problem, but it's constant. This is where it turns into a habit you don't like. Ainope 108-watt multi-port charger removes that completely. Everyone plugs in at once. No rotation, no waiting. You don't even talk about it anymore. It just works. If you want to check any of these later, you'll find them in the description. Now, look around your car after a few days. Not a mess, just small things building up. Crumbs, dust, bits of debris. And it never looks bad until it suddenly does. And the annoying part isn't the mess, it's how long it takes to deal with it. So you wait, and it gets worse. That's the cycle. Thisworx car vacuum cleaner breaks that cycle. You use it the moment you notice something. No setup, no delay. And over time, your car just doesn't get messy anymore. If you've dealt with this, you already know how annoying it is. Hit like and subscribe if this actually helps. Then there are those moments when you're just sitting in your car, waiting, eating, working. You only notice this when you actually need it. And nothing feels stable. Everything shifts, slides, moves just enough to be annoying. You make it work, but it's never smooth. With Paffenery steering wheel tray, you don't adjust anymore. You attach it, and suddenly you've got a surface that actually works. No balancing things, no adjusting constantly. You just use it, and that's it. Now check your back seat. After a few days, things spread. Bottles, cables, random stuff. And this is where time starts to get wasted. Every time you reach back, it takes longer than it should. That's the friction. Not the mess, but the time you waste dealing with it. Lusso Gear Backseat Organizer stops that before it builds up. Everything has a place, so nothing turns into clutter. You stop digging around because there's nothing to dig through. At this point, you already know which ones you'd actually use. Keep or pass. Because once a few of these problems are gone, you start noticing something. Driving feels easier. Not dramatically different, just less annoying.
Cold mornings, they don't ease you into it. And it hits you immediately. You open the door, sit down, grab the wheel, and it's instantly uncomfortable. That cold hits your hands right away. You tighten your grip, wait for the car to warm up. Most people just accept it. But it doesn't have to be. With Zento heated steering wheel cover, you don't wait for it to get better. You turn it on, and within seconds, the wheel feels warm again. No waiting, no adjustment. That uncomfortable start just disappears.
Long drives don't hit all at once. This builds up more than people expect. You sit in traffic, adjust your posture, shift a little, but nothing really fixes it. After a while, your back tightens. That's when you realize it's not going away on its own. You can keep adjusting or fix it. Snailax Shiatsu back massager works while you're still sitting there. You feel it working through that tension as you drive. So instead of finishing the drive feeling stiff, you step out feeling better than when you got in. There's something small that keeps repeating. You check your speed, look down, and back up, and then again. It's not the glance, it's how often it happens. Wiiyii head-up display cuts that down immediately. You stay forward, you stay steady, and over time, driving just feels more controlled. At night, everything changes. This only shows up at night, but it's always there. You reach for something, but it's harder to see. You try to work around it, but it's always a little off. With Govee smart RGBIC car lights, you don't have to work around it anymore. You see what you need instantly, and the car just feels easier to use. Now think about your screen. Every time you get in, plug in your phone, wait, deal with cables. After a while, it starts to feel unnecessary. That extra step every time. Binize CarPlay AI Box takes it out completely. You get in, and it connects automatically. No cables, no setup, no waiting. You don't think about it. It just works. If one of these actually makes your drive easier, you can check it later in the description. When it comes to protection, most people don't think about this until it's too late. They either ignore it or overcomplicate it. That's exactly where Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 fits. It's small, it stays out of your way. You set it up once, and it records every time you drive. You don't manage it. It's just there when you need it. And this is where everything shifts. Because now, you're not working around the problem anymore. Your mirror. You've been adjusting it this whole time, leaning forward, trying to see more. With Wolfbox Mirror Dashcam, you just see it. Clear, wide, immediate. You park easier, you react faster, and it records everything at the same time. All in one place, right where you're already looking. You don't learn anything new. You just use it, like you always have, but better. At this point, it's not about all of them. Which one would you actually use? Just type the number. At this point, you already know which one would make your drive easier.